just got my Sergeant low seat, and pretty excited to check it out and put it on my bike. And these guys were really cool. I paid for it, and then I got an email, and they had taken off like $60 and thrown in a hat. Well, that's pretty cool. So, wearing my hat. There's what it ended up costing. Looks like we got a little bit of instructions and a return slip, and then there is the seat. Oh, look at this. A little flashlight that I guess mounts in here that comes with the bike. That's kind of cool. And installation, none. It installs just like the stock one, so that's cool. Okay, on the right I've got the stock seat, and on the left the Sergeant seat. As you can see, they're almost identical, with the exception of the flashlight, little emblem down there says Sergeant on it, and then the fact that from here to here is about 1.5 inches wider than it is right there. Now keep in mind, when I got my Africa Twin 2019, it came with this. It was used bike, had 1,000 miles on it. Came with the lower seat, so I ordered the lower Sergeant seat also, because I'm 5'10" and I don't have enough inseam to reach if I have a huge seat the ground the way I like to. But you can see that there is a difference in how thick this seat is. They're about the same right here. Then it's thicker here on the Sergeant, and it looks to be a little thicker up here too. It also turns out that the Sergeant seat is about 1.25 inches wider across here than the Honda low seat. I always install my seat in the low position, so I tucked it up just like you do with the stock one. Can already tell it's higher by maybe 3/4 inch. The stock one dips below this. It fits better against the bike actually than the other one does, which is surprising. But really, it's a nice tight finish. What you'd expect from these guys. Looks really good. This is the carbon fiber vinyl or whatever, and this is the stock, so you can tell there's a slight color difference, but not much, not enough to matter, and I usually have a bag on that anyway. So sitting on it, it's stiffer than the stock seat. You can feel the angle in here, so time will tell how that feels when you ride. It does create a flatter spot right in here, and I don't know if you can see that, but there is a cutout there. We'll see if that makes a difference in comfort also. I like the way it looks better than stock, and yeah, I'm gonna have to ride it and see if that makes the difference that I've been needing, but it's definitely gonna give me a little bit more cushion than I had been getting, so I'm excited about that.